This Viper X latch is designed to make sure that you have no drilling through the post. So you simply just have a push button from the back and push button from the front. That's the front, and then you have the same at the back. The beautiful thing is when you need to change from left to right, there's no screws, nothing like this. You just simply remove that back side. There's a bracket at the back that you just simply push up, turn other way around, and put it back. And now you have left side. No drilling, nothing like this.